Hello, I am going to show you how to save your PSD file as a Photoshop PDF ready for printing in the Imaging Center. I threw this example together just to get a bunch of layers, as you can see right here. And when you're saving a PDF to print in the Imaging Center, you want to make sure that you're not saving all of those layers. That increases your file size by quite a lot. And when you're submitting your file to print in the Imaging Center via our web forms, the limit is only 67 megabytes. So you don't need all that data if you're just submitting a PDF. So in order to do that, you would go to File, Save As. You never want to save over your existing file. You'll see this window pop open. You can see the different formats here. If you pull them down, you would be able to see JPEG, which of course flattens it down, but if you're interested in saving it as a PDF because that's the format that you're more comfortable with, or you're combining multiple pages into one single PDF, you could go to Photoshop PDF, and you can see by default here that layers is automatically checked. So you're going to actually want to unselect that. And it's gonna, say it's saving it as a copy. That's fine. If you're working with a specific color profile, for this example, I'm not really too worried about it, so it's using the sRGB. And then I always save a different file name. So like I will either save it at the beginning or the end, and that will just say flattened PDF. Remember that you don't want to ever save an extra period or comma or apostrophe or ampersand or anything weird in the file name, because that could corrupt your file and it could also create a problem in the printing process. So when you hit save, it's going to come up asking, do you want to override your settings? Click OK. This is a discussion for another time, but there are a lot of Adobe PDF presets that you can select from. I recommend either the high quality print or the PDF X4. Most times high quality print works just fine on the Canon laser printers, which this is a sticker file, so that's what we're going to go with. But stay tuned for more information about these different presets and when and in what application you would want to use them. But for this example, high quality print is just fine. I'm not too worried about anything else, so I'm just going to hit Save PDF. If I hop onto my Finder window, I'm going to see that my original PSD file is 147 megabytes, which would not work through our online form submission. And then you can see this one flattened right down to 22 megabytes. So that's perfect, ready to upload. If you have any questions, contact the Imaging Center at ic@collegeforcreativestudies.edu or check out our Calendly site and schedule a one-on-one with IC staff. Thank you.